The Great Pyramid of Giza, also known as the Pyramid of Khufu or the Pyramid of Cheops, is the oldest and largest of the three pyramids in the Giza pyramid complex bordering what is now El-Giza, Egypt. It is the oldest of the seven wonders of the ancient world, and the only one to remain largely intact. Based on a mark in an interior chamber naming the work gang and a reference to 4th dynasty Egyptian pharaoh Khufu, Egyptologists believe that the pyramid was built as a tomb over a 10 to 20 year period concluding around 2560 BC. Initially at 146.5 meters, 481 feet, the Great Pyramid was the tallest man-made structure in the world for more than 3,800 years. Originally, the Great Pyramid was covered by casing stones that formed a smooth outer surface. What is seen today is the underlying core structure. Some of the casing stones that once covered the structure can still be seen around the base. There have been varying scientific and alternative theories about the Great Pyramid's construction techniques. Most accepted construction hypotheses are based on the idea that it was built by moving huge stones from a quarry and dragging and lifting them into place. There are three known chambers inside the Great Pyramid. The lowest chamber is cut into the bedrock upon which the pyramid was built and was unfinished. The so-called Queen's Chamber and King's Chamber are higher up within the pyramid structure. The main part of the Giza complex is a setting of buildings that included two mortuary temples in honor of Khufu, one close to the pyramid and one near the Nile, three smaller pyramids for Khufu's wives, an even smaller satellite pyramid, a raised causeway connecting the two temples, and small mastaba tombs surrounding the pyramid for nobles. The Great Pyramid consists of an estimated 2.3 million blocks which most believe to have been transported from nearby quarries. The Tura limestone used for the casing was quarried across the river. The largest granite stones in the pyramid, found in the King's Chamber, weigh 25 to 80 tons and were transported from Aswan, more than 800 kilometers away. Traditionally, ancient Egyptians cut stone blocks by hammering into them some wooden wedges, which were then soaked with water. As the water was absorbed, the wedges expanded, causing the rock to crack. Once they were cut, they were carried by boat either up or down the Nile River to the pyramid. It is estimated that 5.5 million tons of limestone, 8,000 tons of granite, imported from Aswan, and 500,000 tons of mortar were used in the construction of the Great Pyramid. The original entrance to the Great Pyramid is 17 meters, 56 feet, vertically above ground level and 7.29 meters east of the center line of the pyramid. From this original entrance, there is a descending passage 0.96 meters high and 1.04 meters wide, which goes down at an angle of 26 degrees through the masonry of the pyramid and then into the bedrock beneath it. After 105.23 meters, the passage becomes level and continues for an additional 8.84 meters to the lower chamber, which appears not to have been finished. There is a continuation of the horizontal passage in the south wall of the lower chamber. There is also a pit dug in the floor of the chamber. Some Egyptologists suggest that this lower chamber was intended to be the original burial chamber, but Pharaoh Khufu later changed his mind and wanted it to be higher up in the pyramid. At 28.2 meters from the entrance is a square hole in the roof of the descending passage. Originally concealed with a slab of stone, this is the beginning of the ascending passage. The ascending passage is 39.3 meters long, as wide and high as the descending passage and slopes up at almost precisely the same angle. The lower end of the ascending passage is closed by three huge blocks of granite, each about 1.5 meters long. At the start of the Grand Gallery on the right-hand side there is a hole cut in the wall. This is the start of a vertical shaft which follows an irregular path through the masonry of the pyramid to join the descending passage. Also at the start of the Grand Gallery there is the horizontal passage leading to the Queen's Chamber. Today tourists enter the Great Pyramid via the Robbers Tunnel, a tunnel created around AD 820 by Caliph al-Ma'mun's workmen using a battering ram. The tunnel is cut straight through the masonry of the pyramid for approximately 27 meters, then turned sharply left to encounter the blocking stones in the ascending passage. It is believed that their efforts dislodged the stone fitted in the ceiling of the descending passage to hide the entrance to the ascending passage, and it was the noise of that stone falling and then sliding down the descending passage, which alerted them to the need to turn left. Unable to remove these stones, however, the workmen tunneled up beside them through the softer limestone of the pyramid until they reached the ascending passage. It is possible to enter the descending passage from this point, but access is usually forbidden.